You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. So let's take a close look at the bag itself. It's going to get a messy thing. We're going to get 16 interactive sport games, 25 arcade games. Oh, we're going to start with the arcade games already, of course, and 10 world athletic games. Oh boy. You know this is going to be bad. You know, and if you didn't know, consider subscribing, hit the little bell, because we're doing a lot of these shitty products. Or maybe it's not shitty. Let's find out. First thing that we need to do is, of course, opening it up. Hoppa! The presentation is not bad at all. I must say that they're also going to give you this. Holy crap, this is one of a gigantic manual. This is abnormal. Look at this thing. Oh man, I'm in different languages. But it explains every single game and how it works. The system itself, the iSport Interactive. These comes with a separate stand. That's pretty cool. Let's see, reset button, power. Here we're going to get the unit that needs to be like the way you need to connect with the controllers, of course. AV out and a 9-volt input that we're going to get from this power supply. A lot of attachments like a tennis racket. Oh boy. We can put it in here. I'd say that it clicks in very nicely. The controls, the D-pad. Why is it select there and start over there? That's kind of weird. AB and the turbo buttons. It seems to be having 2 sensors at the side. And there is one over here. How does that work if you're going to put in this piece of plastic? Alright, so that's kind of strange. Indication, no idea where for. Let's open it up and let's see what kind of battery that we're going to need for this thing. I think that's the wrong screwdriver. Yep, that one works better. I'm hoping they're not going to left. I think they were left. Did they left the batteries in? No, they didn't. We're going to need 3 AAA batteries, because that we're going to need. But we're going to use, of course, player 1. It also comes with this safety strap-on, if I'm saying it correctly, or ripcord, how you want to call it, strap-on. AV out, just a basic tulip cable. It also comes with the club, and it's more like, can you already see yourself playing like this? Let's see, can we use it in here? Or, oh, here it is. Here you're playing like this, golf. Like we're going to get this very tiny, short, hockey thing. What the hell? This makes no sense, whatever. Oh boy, this is going to be bad. So let's connect the system, let's put in some batteries in the bad boy, and let's see if it even works, because I didn't even test it out. I just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. Okay, so let's power on the device itself. Let's check out the controller if it's working. Okay, so we need to hold it like that, or no, it doesn't matter. What a weird intro song. Oh, okay, so where we're going to get virtual boxing, darts, curling, virtual tennis, swimming, and beach volleyball. Let's go further. Swords of War. Hey, that looks kind of cool. Fishing, happy badminton. So already they call it like happy badminton. Getting a 16-bit vibe over here. Okay, so are there any other games? Oh, Super X-Men. Why does this game look like freaking Contra? We're going to try that out. So they're ripping off a lot of things. Oh, this is like Zuma Deluxe. What a horrible interface. Okay, so that's it. So that are like all the games. So let's try a couple of them. Let's try first of course, the movement game, because I'm curious how this works out. First, let's try the virtual boxing. With a booty game. What the hell is going on? Oh, it started off really great, don't you think so? Why did I choose a match? Okay, let's see if we can start up the game. So this doesn't do anything, or what? Ah, it does work. Can I do the other movement? Oh boy. The thing is, like, we can reset it from the controller. That is a very good thing. Okay, let's play virtual tennis. Yeah! Custom match. Choose character. Oh, serious? Okay, yeah, blah 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 blah. I'm so curious how this is going to work out. Oh, see, it sees the movements. Okay, let's see. Can I just do this movement? Oh, he does a bit. Wow. Doesn't matter if I... Damn it! If I have a different movement. Let's see. This seems to be working fine. Don't do that. Let's do it the other way around. See, it doesn't matter which way or direction you can. I think you can do it like that. Doesn't even matter. Okay, so let's lower the volume. Let's try the Sword of War. That sounds cool. Looks cool. Wow, what a noise. Of course, we don't have any motion controls whatsoever. Press right to go right. Okay. What a weird... The thing is, like, you need to hold your controller vertical. It's kind of weird. What a weird choice. So you need to hold your controller vertical, but... Okay, this looks kind of cool. Okay. Okay, I must say that this game is pretty cool. That sound was exactly like the bumping sound of Sonic the Hedgehog. Yep, absolutely. Sounds cool. Okay, that was the song of King of Fighters. Nice soundtrack. This guy. I'm curious how good this is, or how bad. But okay, let's see how bad this is. Soundtracks look awesome. It looks awesome, the soundtracks are sounding really cool. Alright, horrible D-pad, so this is going to be not a very good experience. Of course, we're having shooting moves. Oh, I can do a move. Cool. But let's see how bad or how good it is. The music sounds quite happy. Oh man, this is just a rip-off from the Mega Drive edition. Yep, exactly the same stages. They altered the background music. I have seen my share of weird stuff, but this thing makes it like the next level. We have in here an invincible helicopter. Got to the chopper. That sound. So I'm reviewing a lot of weird stuff from AliExpress, but this thing is something completely different. By the way, you cannot find this particular version. I have no idea why they released it, where you could buy it. The motion control is of course a joke. It's super simple. There's nothing special about this device. But what I did like about it, that we're having this option to play some weird, obscure fighting games, shmups. It's so funny. It's really funny, to be honest.